Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Barnyard Millet Appam without yeast. This is a very delicious recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the appams made using yeast. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of barnyard millet. To this, add sufficient amount of water and wash it well. Barnyard millet is low in calorie. It's a gluten-free food and a good source of iron. Now drain off the water and keep it ready. To this, again add sufficient amount of water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain off the water and add it to a mixer jar. To this, add 1 cup of chopped coconut and 1 cup of steamed rice. You can use leftover rice. Add 1/4 cup of water and grind this well. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl like this. To this, add half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and a barnyard millet appam batter without yeast is ready. So let's go and make the appams. Heat an appam pan like this. Pour in 1 ladle full of barnyard millet appam batter. Spread it well. Close it with a lid and let this cook for 15 seconds. It's been 15 seconds, so let's now open and check. A barnyard millet appam is nicely done, so let's now remove it. If you prefer your appams to be a little more brown, you can cook for a few more seconds. I like it a little white, so 15 seconds of cook time is good enough for me. Now a delicious and soft barnyard millet appam is ready. You can serve this with either coconut milk and sugar or with some chicken or egg masala. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this no yeast barnyard millet appam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.